Hi, today I just want to show how to use this Elikliv laser guide, and this is automatic labeling laser guide that I got from Amazon, and I actually really liked it. It basically helps a lot. I'm working on my basement finishing project, and I use it pretty much everywhere. For example, on corners, like whenever I want to draw um, basically create a wall that is perfectly perpendicular to this other wall, right? So I will put a laser here and then make sure that there is a laser coinciding on this side of the wall, and then the other perpendicular line is where I will put the other wall. So to get the exact perpendicular corners, it's really helpful. The other use of it today, I'm going to show you what I'm trying to do is that this is a bar countertop wall, and on top of that countertop we're going to install pendant lights on the top. So my goal is that the pendant lights should be the center of the countertop wall on top of that. So I want to basically perfect vertical line from the countertop up to the ceiling to make sure that the pendants are aligning. So let's see how that works. We're gonna turn this on. There's a button right here to pull it and turn it on. Make sure that your stand is actually tight enough and secure properly. If you heard that beep, it's basically that means that you're not perfectly level, but it's also self-leveling, which is a great thing, so that you don't have to move your stand so much, you know what I mean? So now currently it did the leveling by itself after I moved it a little bit. Now this is, as you can see, currently showing the horizontal line, but we're interested in a vertical line. So it does come with a remote like that, very easy to use. It'll say V for vertical, H for horizontal, and this is a on-off switch, and I believe there is a light. I don't know what the light one does, but we'll find that out. That's probably the brightness. Okay, so we need the vertical. I'm going to press V, and there it is the vertical line, but now it's facing this way, so I have to turn it. Well, you can get two vertical lines so that you can get the corners, right? So you just press it one more time, and that vertical line switch from here to this other side over here. So now I have the line that I exactly want. Now, as you can see, this line, the laser line, is not aligning with my wall here. So I'm just going to guide the laser to move in that direction. And you can see it's off-centered. So it's definitely on the left. In this case, I'll have to move my base stand a little bit. Still not aligned. And now it is aligned, as you can see. So now the top of the laser is also on top of that countertop, and then the line is coinciding in the middle. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to follow this line on the top and make a line, a guideline on the top right there, to make sure that that's where my pendants will go. As you can see, before using the laser, I had some marks like the cross lines. As you can see, they're actually off-centered. So I'm going to erase those and make sure new ones are accurately marked, and that's where the pendants will go. So this is it. It's a really helpful tool. I highly recommend using it whenever you're doing some finishing projects. As you can see, my basement finishing is coming along very, very well. We're almost there, almost there. We'll do a full walkthrough when it's finished, but this tool has really helped me to get all the corners and for the walls aligned properly, and that was really helpful. It also comes with this carrying case, which is very sturdy, very nice and easy to carry. Safety goggles and a few other things, like different types of attachment with a magnetic attachment, so you can attach this on a pole or something to get like horizontal lines if you're doing some wall work, stuff like that. There's a lot of things that it comes with. Basically fully equipped. It does not come with this big stand that we got. This is my other stand I'm using, but it's actually very helpful, and sometimes you just need that, so I'm sure most people would have that. Also from Amazon. I forgot the brand for this, but I have had this for a very long time. Very, very helpful. So there it is. Thank you for watching.